Hi, I'm Dorothy, and I'm going to show you the new bubble plot template, which is new for Instant Atlas desktop version 6.2.0. The bubble plot template comes with 4 configurations, and 2 of which will look very familiar to you, the funnel plot and the scatter plot. And the final 2 configurations are new. They are the bubble plot simple and the bubble plot advanced. When you look at the bubble plot template and you're choosing which one you want to use, which configuration you want to use, it really depends on the data that you're using and how you want to display it. So the information that I'm going to show you for this demonstration is real, and it's going to be the same information right across the board. The information is ward level data for Nottinghamshire in the UK. So to start, I'm going to start with the scatter plot, which you can see already loaded here on my screen. The scatter plot here at the moment is showing Nottinghamshire, and it's showing each one of these is a ward, and it's showing on the y-axis the job seeker allowance claimants for 2008 and its relationship to the incapacity benefit claimants in 2008, both are percentages. And so it's showing that as the number of job seekers allowance claimants rise, so does the incapacity benefit claimants. And so it's showing that in general, if you're on one benefit, you might be on another one, and you probably will be. So if we want to see if that benefit correlation holds true across different benefits, we can change what we see. So if I'm going to change the y-axis using this toggle menu to disability allowance for 2008, we can see that the correlation is definitely holding true between disability and incapacity. If I change the x-axis to attendance allowance, you can see that even though the information spreads out a bit, in general the correlation still holds true. I can look at my data as well using the indicator level here, or I can filter. So if I want to filter by district, I'm just going to want to see the Mansfield district. You can see that the number of bubbles dropped right down, and the map now only shows those wards that actually go within the district of Mansfield. To move on, let's look at the funnel plot. This is the same information again, and it's the same ward level information for Nottinghamshire. But this time, we have our information superimposed with confidence limits. So this shows us the wards for which they are either higher than the average of Nottinghamshire, within the average for Nottinghamshire, or below it. And this time our color palette has changed, and we are now looking at green for low, this amber color from average, and a high is represented by red. So at the moment, the funnel plot is showing job seekers allowance claimants the percentage in 2007. So if we want to look and see how that data changes, let's change it to disability living allowance claimants. And you can see quite a lot of movement when we change the benefit. If we do it again for incapacity benefit, we see even more movement. And if you want to look at actual tables of information rather than looking at the map, you can see these are the wards and their data.